Flour donuts. One room temperature egg, 60g, medium size. Mix well. White flour 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons. Instant yeast 1 plus 1/4 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Sugar 1/2 cup. Warm milk 160 milliliters. Mix roughly with spatula. Add butter 40 grams. Now run the human kneader. Cover and rest for 2 hours. Remove the gas. Then divide into 2 equal parts. Divide into equal portions. Cover with plastic wrap to prevent the dough from drying out. Flatten out with rolling pin. Lay out the butter paper, crease it with oil. Touch it again in round shape. Centered with small bottle cap. Cut in equal parts. Now pinch the ends to make petals. Flour donut is ready for frying. Remove the butter paper and fry in oil. Turn over when brown. Super soft fluffy flour donuts are ready to serve.